Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on Printify. Printify is a leading print-on-demand platform that connects you with a global network of print providers. It allows you to create and sell custom products without holding any inventory. You can choose from over 900 different items, from apparel to home decor, and easily integrate your store with popular e-commerce platforms. This means you can launch your online business with minimal upfront investment and focus on your designs. Getting started with Printify is straightforward. First, create your free account on their website. Next, you'll connect your Printify account to your chosen e-commerce platform, such as Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. Printify offers various subscription plans, including a free option, so you can choose what best fits your business needs. Make sure all your store settings, including shipping and payment details, are accurately configured before you launch your products. Now for the fun part, designing your products. Browse Printify's extensive catalog of over 900 items and select the perfect ones for your brand. Use their intuitive mock-up generator to upload your designs and see how they'll look on the actual products. It's highly recommended to order samples of your designs to ensure the quality and print accuracy meet your expectations. Once satisfied, publish your products directly to your connected online store. With your products live, it's time to focus on marketing. Utilize social media platforms and online advertising to reach your target audience. Optimize your product listings with compelling descriptions and relevant keywords to improve visibility. Consider offering competitive pricing and running promotions to attract new customers. Remember, providing excellent customer service is crucial for building a loyal customer base and generating positive reviews, which are vital for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.